Buyers will overlook almost any flaw in a house if they fall in love with it. Disgusting hues? We'll just paint over them. Small cooking space? That back wall will be blown right out. Ghosts? Well, why not? Hello and welcome to our channel Mystery Amuse. Discover your inner detective. From puzzles to unexplained events, we'll bring you the mysteries that need solving every day. The three houses that are on our list today have a long history of unexplained phenomena, such as sightings of ghosts or other supernatural beings. Some people interpret it as a signal to be exceedingly terrified and to flee in the opposite direction. But before we begin, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. That said, let's begin. Number 3. Birger Axelsson House. It is reported that there are not one but two spirits that reside in this old cypress house that is said to be haunted. One of them is a kind and helpful signalman who once guided a family member back to safety when they became disoriented at sea. More recently, he has been seen utilizing Morse code to communicate with the general public from the residence. The other ghost is said to be that of a past homeowner, and it is said that they have seen the spirit standing at a window and staring out across the bay. The 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,932 square foot home was constructed in 1897 and has been able to withstand hurricanes for more than a century. The home is situated close to Pensacola Bay, in an area that is not at risk of flooding. The city will allow the owners to build a carriage house, garages, and a pool on the property despite the fact that it is located in the historic district of a downtown area. There is a possibility that the inside will undergo some modernization in the near future, regardless of whether or not the spirits approve of the plan. Number 2. Humbert Hotel Bar and Grill. It's possible that this is the only area in the United States where you may live, dine, drink, rent a lodging, and engage in ghost hunting all in the same handy location. The present proprietor relates tales of previous visitors who claim to have seen ghosts moving around the hallways and climbing up the walls. In point of fact, members of a Supernatural Investigators of Minnesota team have been seen inside the hotel with tracking devices on multiple occasions. The group believes that the building, which was constructed in 1869 and has 6 guest rooms, as well as a separate owner's quarters that is 1,800 square feet in size, is the site of paranormal activity. Now, before we reveal our top pick, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. Let's continue now. Number 1. Enslin House. This house in the Hudson Valley is said to be haunted by 9 spirits, one of whom is a gangster named John T. Legs Diamond. It is also a short-term rental on Airbnb, where the host provides a spooky dinner / ghost tour / mentalism show as an additional attraction for an additional cost of $125 per person. The current resident, who describes herself as both an intuitive alchemist and an empath, claims that her family has owned the house for 6 generations. They have taken great care to preserve the original tin ceiling, Florentine doors, hardwood flooring, and other historical features that were installed in the house in 1925. But you definitely wouldn't want to go down into the basement at any point, because it seems that this is the meeting place for the supernaturals. Imagine accidentally going down and finding the ghosts partying hard there. It would surely be terrifying. When approaching the thresholds of these haunted houses, do not allow the attractiveness of the locations to lull you into a sense of false security. Which house would you like to visit? Let us know in the comments. We will see you in our next video. Till then, take care.